super excited to be featuring two of my absolute favorite builders here in the Houston area, Coventry Homes and Perry Homes, two incredible builders with incredible floor plans here at Legacy in League City. So I've been here a few times featuring the absolute latest model homes that have been finishing up here in the community. It's brand new, and so not every single model home has finished up at the same time. And so there's other incredible builders here like Highland Homes and David Weekley and Weston Homes, Partners in Building, Shea Homes, Drees Homes. I mean, there's just a ton of incredible ones. And so I really wanted to highlight this community as one to really check out and to do your due diligence on, to see if this might be a community for you, because it's going to be amazing. They've got just all of the fantastic amenities that you might want, the pools, the trails, all the walking areas, and all of the things to do outdoors. I think that's one of the things they really try to bring here to this community, is a lot of outdoors and to really hone in on community here. And so I love that. I love the communities that feature these two builders together: Highland Homes, Perry Homes, Coventry Homes, Weston Homes, the big boys, Drees Homes, in one community, really? And so you gotta feature it, because that's what you guys want, and that's the type of builders that are here in this community, really amazing ones that you really need to know about. So if you're ready to go see these, let's go do it. We're going to kick off the tour talking about Coventry Homes today. I'm always just thrilled to death to show you what it is they have to offer. Their quality is unmatched. I just absolutely love their floor plans. Customers and my clients love the floor plans as well, and they just rave. And we're here in the bedroom number 1 here in the front of the house. So you really get a sense of size here. I think the paint color just gives you really great ideas for what you can do in your own space. And they've just set it up so clean here with the gray and then actually the kind of the beige. I love those two color combinations together. And I think really looking in these entryways, you're gonna see Coventry's quality here. The rounded staircase. They add a bit of wallpaper here in the dining room. That is typically not an option offered, but it's an upgrade. It's a choice. It's a design feature that you can certainly do in your own home. Laundry room. So this is featured also through the primary closet. I would say no shortage of closet space here in this plan. And then of course, this is the main feature of the house. This is the selling point. This is what people love about this plan, the open to below, sky-high ceilings here, and a great kitchen. So as you can see, that catwalk style open to below with the wrought iron rails there. Great size living area. And then we're here off to the kitchen. They feature the cabinets with kind of that tan, light brown color, which I love. So many of the models are featuring that kind of that lighter brown color. Breakfast nook here. Lots of light, lots of windows here in this area. And then we're off to look at the backyard. So here in the back, it features a kind of set back patio. And then this model has a pretty decent, good sized yard to it. And then they have added brick on all 4 sides here. They also do really well with outdoor kitchens. Most of the time, if you opt to do an outdoor kitchen, it's an upgrade. But Coventry is really good about offering it as an option for you in the patio area. We're back over to the primary bedroom featuring the cathedral ceilings. I just love those. Little square cutout windows on the top there. Such a nice feature. And then off to the primary bathroom. So double separate vanities. You have a soak-in tub. This area here, the shower is enlarged, it's extended. And then, like I mentioned before, the primary closet here goes out into the laundry. So a lot of times that's an upgrade for builders, but in this plan, it actually comes standard. One of the other main features that people love to do in this plan is the curved staircase here. So this is an option, so it traditionally comes with a kind of an L-shaped style staircase here. So this rounded feature is an upgrade, but it's such a lovely feature. Buyers of this plan love adding that on. The game room area really has so much openness to it. You can really see the game room from both sides of the catwalk, from the front side of the home to the back side. The game room just flows so nice into this media room. For media rooms, it doesn't come standard in this plan. It's an add-on upgrade, but a lot of buyers choose to do it with this plan, and it comes out so nice. On the other side of the catwalk here, you have 2 bedrooms. Good size space in the bedrooms. And then there is a secondary bathroom up here. Let me know, what do you think of this plan? It's one of Coventry's largest plans in the community here at 2,800 square feet. Next up, we're talking about Perry Homes. I can't wait to show you what Perry has going on in this community. And so here we are. We're taking a look at Perry's 2504 plan. I'm so glad they brought this plan to Legacy to show you as their model home. It's such a good space for a one-story. I just absolutely love decent sized one-stories that really give you space to move around. The layouts in these are just incredible, and it's such a really amazing place to have everybody in one area and still be able to spread out. In this plan, we've got 4 beds and 3 baths. I think Perry does a great job laying out their one-story plans. It's really their bread and butter plan. They are so popular no matter what community it is. Perry just absolutely stuns with all of their one-story plans. They chose all white finishes here in the kitchen. It's such a requested, it still is after all this time. The white on white is such a requested upgrade. Usually to get white cabinets, it is an upgrade. Most of the time, the darker kind of espresso black kind of darker wood tones are the standard options. And just a lovely living space. And then out to the back we go. So this is the extended back patio, great space. Again, like Coventry, all brick on all sides. I definitely wanted to make sure I mentioned again how much of an amazing community Legacy is going to turn out to be with their sports courts they're offering, fitness center. They've got an event lawn that's going to be happening. Obviously, their resort style pool, playgrounds, numerous playgrounds, dog parks, and 108 acres of lakes, docks, and beach entry. It's just a huge space. I mean, they're just gonna be at this thing for years, at least probably 5 years, with 22 acres of parks, 26 miles of trails. It just gives you so many things to do here. It's definitely an environment that you are going to be settling into here. So if I can help you in absolutely any way, please let me know. And there are so many builders here, so many great builders, so many great plans that I think you'll be able to find something here that works for you. Coventry and Perry are absolutely no exception. Two of my absolute favorite builders in all of Houston. So if I can help you with plans, putting pricing together, incentives, all of that, let me know. Let me know what you think of this Perry's 2504 plan, and I'll see you on the next video.